Guys, so welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to talk about what to do if you cannot charge your iPhone AirPod case. Okay, so I have AirPod 2 Pro. Okay, so it charges properly, but if your iPhone case will not charge properly, I'll show you what to do. Okay, so I'll show you how to charge it normally. So we're taking one of the cables you have. It can be the original cable, can be not the original, okay? And you want to connect it to the AirPod case. Once connected, the charging begins, and you can understand it by this LED light lighting up. It can be red or it can be green, depending on the charge levels of your case. Okay, let's disconnect it now. Okay, let's assume that your case will not charge. What you want to do is to, first step, make sure that the port of this case is clean from any dust and any kind of dirt and pieces of stuff. Okay, so how you want to make sure, just take something very thin and preferably not metal, but however I will use something consisting of metal, and just make sure that you very carefully clean it off. Make sure to check if there is no dust, because there just can be some obstacle between the port, between the pin and the charging cable. Okay, so make sure it's clean and nice. Okay, once that's done, if it was clean, if it was not, you don't know, maybe you took something off there and now it works properly. Okay, anyway, going to the second step, and the second step would be to check the cable that you're using, because there might be not the problem with your case but the problem with your cable. Just try to find another cable and use that, as well as a new socket, because you never know where is the problem is located at the first point. Okay, so try to use a second cable and a different socket just as well. Okay, now if that still does not work, we will need to use the third step, which will likely help you, and that you need to rotate your case. Once rotated, you will find that at the back side of your case there is this small tiny button at the back. It can be seen on my screen. Okay, so what you want to do is to press on it, but before pressing you want to keep it open just as well. So what you want to do is you want to press on it. Once pressed, it's going to change to the white color. That means that the device is searching for the device to connect to. Now you want to keep holding it. Now, once held enough, and your AirPods are going to change to a different color, which is red or green, that means that the device was reset. Okay, and now it wants to connect once again. And now just feel free to connect it to whatever and check if it can be charged. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.